Well, hello, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're new. This is my pot of gold collaboration with acrylic pouring, or acrylic painting with Julie E. Oh, I hope I got that right. Anyway, she sent me this little cauldron, but it's really needs to be filled up with gold for St. Patrick's Day. So she drilled little holes in it, and we're both going to see what we can do. Now, I know first thing I got to do is I got to put a little bit of paint in the middle. Okay, I think that's about all the color's gonna do. So, I don't have a piece of cardboard handy like Julie told me I should, so, well, Got a lot of paint in the middle, so I'm going to see if I can kind of move it around a little bit. I love some of these effects that I got. I'm going to have to say it's done, only for the simple fact I can't think of what else to do. So, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I've listed all the colors down below as in the captions as I was putting them on. Okay, let me lift this little guy up. There's tape under here, so this is not going to be easy. So, I do like the effects I got. I don't want to mess with it too much more. Some of the paint is going to sell up, I think. I should torch it. That's one thing I should do. Let me do that before I shut off the camera so you can see what it looks like after I torch it. But I gotta wipe my gloves off first because I hate getting paint all over my gloves.